Hi guys, so I'm going to show you the factory reset, how to hard reset your DualSense controller. This will make the controller like when you first bought it. You would want to do this, for example, if your controller is giving you issues. Now it's pretty simple, so first make sure your controller is turned off. Then go and find something like a paperclip, or a SIM card ejector or hairpin, something similar. Just need a needle. Go and turn off your DualSense. Now you should see a hole right here. Just go and put the needle in there. Go and push down for 5 seconds. You'll see the light flash and turn off. Then just let go. If it does not work, you can also delete the controller from your PS5. I'll put the pathway on screen. And yeah, if you want to reconnect, just plug in the cable, use the PS button. And yeah guys, how to restore it. So hope this helped out.